about what all you have going on here, because the IV Lounge is just one facet of what you do.
So I'm a licensed naturopathic physician in the state of Washington, and I've been practicing for almost 25 years. I'm a graduate of Bastyr University, and I hold 2 fellowships in anti-aging medicine, nutritional medicine as well.
What was the thought process that you had when you decided to open Holistique IV Lounge?
So we've been doing IV therapy for at least 15, 16 years, over 75,000 IVs over the course of these 15 years. And most of those IVs have been prescribed specifically for patients by our physicians for conditions. And we decided that it was time to bring that access, that availability of IV therapy, which is so powerful in its healing benefits, to the public. So we decided to open up an IV lounge, the first one in Washington, that allows people to walk in and get a quick evaluation and pick an IV of vitamins and minerals that will benefit them either for their energy, if they're athletes, if they're looking to optimize their beauty, if they're nursing, or if they're jet lagged, or whatever it may be, to kind of stimulate their body to do the healing process. And we wanted to just make it more available to everybody.
Tell me the vibe that you wanted to create with this space, because it is very tranquil, very luxurious. Tell me a little bit about what you wanted to do in terms of making people feel comfortable here.
Well, I'm a nurturer, so I love to care for people, and I really wanted everyone to feel comfortable, safe, and relaxed, rejuvenated, feel very special when they come in here. So we have created an area, a space for people that can walk in and can kind of de-stress and let go of what they're dealing with in their lives and get nourishment through their veins, basically, with the nutrients while they relax in the zero gravity chairs.
Who all do you see? You touched on the some of the types of folks that you see come in here, but what types of people come into this space?
So we get all sorts of people. We've had professional athletes, we've had pregnant women, we've had executives, we've had young and old, we've had pretty much everyone, male, female, come in to kind of get rejuvenated and rebooted for their day, for their week, for their month, whatever they need. So it's been really exciting to see very healthy people come in here and know kind of what they want, to take power over their health and be able to get the nutrients that they need to kind of push them through their day again.
What are the benefits of getting an IV versus, like taking vitamins orally or doing something like that? Like what is the benefit of having those nutrients basically directly into your veins?
So when we take something orally, we're expecting that our gut is perfect and that you're absorbing the nutrients that you're getting, and assuming that those supplements that you're getting are good quality. But majority of the time, because of the stress that we're in, because of chronic infections that we're not aware of, because of hormonal imbalances, multitude of reasons, our gut is not functioning as well as it should. And so the nutrients that we are taking orally, whether it's through food or supplements, are not getting absorbed the way we like them to. So when we do intravenous IV therapy, we are making sure that the vitamins and nutrients are getting directly absorbed into your cells and being utilized by your cells and bypassing the gut issue. And therefore, we can give you at a higher dose that is more tolerable than you could possibly take orally. For instance, you wouldn't be able to take 20 grams or 15 grams of vitamin C orally. You'll be in the bathroom and not very happy, swearing at me, right? And so, but intravenously, we can give that to you and have you get the benefits of vitamin C and without having the gut issues.
How quickly do folks, I guess, feel the results or feel those nutrients kind of helping them? Is there a tangible feeling that they're going to get, after having one of these drips?
Definitely. So some people feel it immediately, even while they're sitting in the chair. They can taste the vitamins in their mouth while they're getting the drip. Other people will not feel it until the next day. Some people actually, if they're depleted, they may feel tired that afternoon or that evening because their body is suddenly getting all these nutrients it hasn't for weeks, days, months. And these nutrients are coming into the cells. The cells are waking up saying, hey, I got to do my thing. There's toxins I got to get rid of. There's regeneration I've got to do. And so as their body's doing this, it might fatigue them that afternoon or evening, but by the next day they wake up rejuvenated, refreshed, really ready to go for another few months or weeks.
And Gina got the wellness drip or wellness IV. What all goes into that?
Typically we have vitamin C, B vitamins in there, magnesium, calcium, minerals that are really important for cellular regeneration, but also for anti-aging, also for your adrenal glands to help you deal with stress and balance your hormones, help your liver detoxify, and give you clarity of mind.
Is it something that folks can come in like if you're feeling ill, or is this like a preventative type of measure?
You know, both. This is really a well-being place, so I really like people to come in here feeling like they're getting infused with health and well-being. And so many times people walk in here with feeling like they're coming down with a cold, or they just got off the plane, they're exhausted, and they just need to reboot. Most of the time people come in here for prevention. For instance, we get athletes coming in here wanting to strengthen their workouts, and so they get a vitamin IV for their workouts, and the next thing you know, they're reporting back that their workouts are much more stronger, they're able to take on more weight, or they're able to run faster, and their recovery rate is much better. So we get both sides. We unfortunately don't treat chronic diseases on this side of the clinic, and so if you really want or have a condition like heart disease, diabetes, or cancer, we would see you in the main clinic, evaluate you, and see what specific vitamin therapies would be beneficial for you.
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
So, Liberated Brain and Traffic, I'm not the one asking this question. So, do some people come in here after they've had a little bit too much fun at a party?
Definitely people come in here after they've been drinking or having too much fun at the party. And it's mainly because they're burning through their B vitamins or they're getting dehydrated. Their liver needs a little boost. And so getting an IV therapy helps them overcome the hangover, basically, and get them restarted with clarity of mind and clarity of the body for the rest of their day.
Do you deal with folks who maybe like me have a fear of needles, or people who come in who are a little bit questioning, the process?
Definitely, lots of people may come in here feeling anxious about getting a needle poke and not sure whether this vitamin thing is the right thing. There is a number of research out there talking about intravenous therapies, vitamin therapies, intravenous, even laser light therapy, which we also offer here, that help people. But our doctors are really wonderful in helping you feel calm and relaxed. The massage chairs, the zero gravity chairs, put you in the Zen mode, this parasympathetic mode that allows you to just chill and relax as you're getting a needle poke. And oftentimes people leave here thinking, oh, that was nothing. I don't even know why I was so anxious.
So in the end, in addition to obviously helping your body, this is, I think for some folks, correct me if I'm wrong, but a relaxation thing as well, where they can take an hour and rest and recharge.
Definitely. This is a place for people to come and just be in a serene space where they can meditate and reflect on the day's events and kind of rejuvenate and get ready for another day.